Hey, welcome to the weekly manifesting report for December 2nd through December 8th, 2019. Happy December. We're in the final month of the year and the final month of this decade. So exciting. This month is a really, really powerful time for manifesting. It is not too late to accomplish big things still this year and in this decade. So December, there is so much momentum this month. You might already be feeling it. There's a powerful momentum. We're still riding the wave from 11/11 last month, and we're building up to the 12/12 portal, which is next week. And we also have the solstice on the 21st coming up. All of this energy is helping us to up level massively and accelerate our growth super, super, super fast this month. And it's setting us up for 2020 to have an amazing start to 2020. So don't take your foot off the brake. Keep going. Ride this wave of momentum. Keep manifesting, staying focused on your goals, and also looking ahead to 2020, how you desire to start off that year and the next decade, because it all lies in your hands. That's the most exciting part of it all. And it's Cyber Monday today, and I have some amazing Cyber Monday deals. You can check all that out below, but I have two amazing magical bundles for you. The Manifesting with the Angels bundle, which has over 10 hours of content, of video and audio resources to help you connect with the archangels and the angels of abundance to manifest your biggest dreams and goals. So go ahead and check that out. That's 73% off until tomorrow. Also, the Spiritual Biz bundle for spiritual entrepreneurs who are ready to up level their income and impact. That has over 7 hours of resources to help you with that. This is some of my most powerful content, some of my most powerful trainings at massive, massive discounts. So make sure to check those out. So let's get started. If you haven't already chosen numbers 1, 2, and 3, go ahead and do that and let me know what you chose below. If you chose number 1, this is be proud of all that you have accomplished. So the message here is to stop looking at what you haven't achieved yet, to take the focus away from, but I'm this far away from my goal, or I haven't gotten to this yet. Why hasn't this happened yet? There's so much more I want to do and I can't seem to get there yet. To stop saying all those things to yourself and looking at all that and actually putting the focus on how far you have come this year, how far you've come in this decade, and how far you've come throughout your entire life. It is so important to be proud of yourself and to recognize how amazing you are and how much you have achieved. When you get into that energy of being proud and celebrating your accomplishments, your achievements, even if you're not to where you want to be yet, like that's the thing about life. We're always wanting to go, there's always more to do, and we could always keep looking towards the future. But it's so important to recognize the present moment and to take stock and feel that fullness of everything you have accomplished so far, because that's actually going to create the energy of abundance around you rather than lack, rather than looking at what you haven't done yet. And this is going to create an expansive energy and open up so much for you to call in the next level of your dreams and goals, to call in the next level of abundance. It's going to actually unlock things for you and shift your energy around that. Okay, so those are the messages for number 1. If you chose number 1, let me know in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 2, your message is there's a huge wave of expansion energy around you right now. So what this means is it's time to really open up and stay open to the magic, to the synchronicities, to the possibilities that are all around you now. Not to close off, not to contract, not to stop what you're doing, not to stop your manifesting, but to keep opening up, to keep moving forward, to keep staying open to the magical synchronicities. This is really all about this magic that you can feel around you. And if you haven't felt it already, take some time to just tune into this. Maybe you felt inklings of this magic. There's a lot of magical kind of festive energy around this month. And this is real. This isn't just like, oh, you just hear some Christmas music in the background. Like, this is actual magical manifesting energy going on. And the angels, the universe want you to understand that when you're feeling that kind of tingling, that fun, that festive energy, to use that, to harness that. That's all about helping you to move forward with your manifesting. That's all about harnessing this momentum. So they want you to stay in this energy of excitement for your dreams and goals, enthusiasm for all that you're accomplishing, excitement, enthusiasm for your life, whatever is making you feel uplifted right now. Fuel that energy, because that's the energy of expansion, which is the energy of flow, which is the same state of being we need to be in to call in our dreams and goals. That's what makes us magnetic to our heart's desires. That's what makes us so magnetic to calling in the next level of abundance and success and love and joy and fulfillment and all those amazing magical things. So stay in that energy of excitement and enthusiasm. Keep this kind of festive energy going. Ride this wave of momentum. Stay open to this expansion. There's so much expansion and growth happening right now, but the key is for you to stay open to it and stay open to the magical possibilities that are all around you and that are flowing to you. Okay, those are the messages for number 2. If you chose number 2, let me know in the comments below and how they resonated with you. If you chose number 3, your message is mapping out your goals. So what this is all about is that there is so much that you want to accomplish. There's so much that you want to achieve. There's so much that needs to get done. There's so much that you desire to do and get done. And that it's all getting a little bit kind of jumbled. The energy is getting possibly a bit jumbled, or you're feeling maybe a bit overwhelmed with it all. And or even if you're not feeling totally overwhelmed with it all, the universe, the angels are saying that you could be even more efficient with your time and your manifesting work and the energy that you're putting towards this. And the best way to get a handle on this, to ground this energy for you to be more efficient with it, for you to feel less stressed, to feel less overwhelmed, especially in the month of December, which can feel very stressful with all the festivities going on and all that kind of stuff. In order for you to maximize your time, to maximize your energy, to get as much done as you desire to get done and even more, is to map out the bigger picture, map out your goals, map out your dreams, write it all down, all the things you want to accomplish. This helps to start bringing them to fruition already. This is like a way of manifesting. The first step in some ways of manifesting is writing this stuff down, but also it helps you get clear in your mind. It helps you get an overview of all the steps. You're going to start getting more clarity around the steps that need to occur, and you can see where things are kind of taking you away from what you really desire to be doing. So you can also look at all the things that you are doing and all the things that are taking up your time, that are taking you away from what you truly desire to do, that are taking you away from your bigger dreams and goals and all that you desire to accomplish, the projects that are closest to your heart. So this is a powerful way to map this out, to look at the steps that need to be taken. What can you pull back on? What can you amplify? What can you streamline? And Archangel Metatron is a very powerful angel to call upon to help you with this, and he's stepping forward to help. So remember that you get to design your life the way that you desire it in co-creation with the universe. So when you sit down to do something like this, to map out your goals, to take stock and have an overview like this, and then to write down and see what the steps are that you need to be taking, it is such a powerful signal that you're sending to the universe. Not only does it help you get organized and be more efficient with your time, but you are literally saying, yes, I claim this. Yes, I do get to design my life. Yes, I do get to map out my future. And that is so powerful. So you can do that for this month. You can start doing that for 2020. And those are the messages for you. If you chose number 3, let me know in the comments below and how they resonated with you. If you want more help with mapping out your dreams and goals, anyone here watching for 2020, I forgot to mention that I'm also doing 2 live workshops to help you with this that go with the 2 bundles I mentioned in the beginning. So for the Manifesting with the Angels bundle, I'm doing a live workshop to help you turn your biggest dreams into reality in 2020, to map out your dreams and goals, to take you step by step through mapping those out, and then blessing those goals and infusing them with magical manifesting energy from the angels. And then there's also another powerful workshop that I'm doing for the people who sign up for the Spiritual Biz Bundle for spiritual entrepreneurs to help you map out and create a plan, a powerful plan and strategy for 2020 that is aligned with your soul to make 2020 the best year in your business so far. Any questions about that? Leave a comment below or get in touch with me. Hope you all have an amazing week and sending so many blessings to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.